Should you go long the long bond? Currently talking about the TLH, which is the 10 to 20 year government treasury exchange traded fund. So listen, I'm not here to convince you to buy this fund. I'm just laying out my opinion. So we are looking at a trend line with 1 point right here and 1 point right here. You could see they collapse below that trend line and they have currently recaptured. We're looking at a daily chart and you could see now that it is actually acting as support. All right, now we're looking at the same chart, but on a 2 week time frame, every candle being 2 weeks. You could see that that trend line is still support and resistance, and there is a big breakup candle low right here, which will be the break it or make it call. All right, so what I'm seeing is this is the area they struggled to get above before. Seems like this could be an ABC pattern right here with an A leg and then a consolidation right here, and then this would actually put price up to here. But here's the bigger picture perspective, what I think. I'm pretty bullish on the fund, which I'm bearish on yields. If the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates in the future, it's what the market's predicting. Lower rates and longer term rates are going to go lower. So what I've been looking at is this combination of moving averages up here at around 130. And let me show you a spreadsheet I have real quick. Here you see my spreadsheet. You can see we have a lot of longer term moving averages around the 133 to 136 price, and I'm using this in my analysis. And back to that same chart, you could see that this is the 133 to 136 area, and you could see that there is a gap up here. So that is technically my target for this trade. I'm currently long. Would probably exit the position below this low. We're down here somewhere. Alright, and finishing up back to the daily chart, you can see that right here, they need to get above this area to get anything going, and if they can't get below this line, they're kind of battling both of those areas right now. And on top of that, you can also get about a 3-4% yield on these treasuries at a current price if you think price is going to go up 30% from 103 to 136. So you're going to get a 30% gain with a 4% yield if you hold if the trade is correct. Alright, now on a 2 month chart, I drew in a trend line from September of 13 to November of 18. You can see that the top end of this trend line corresponds to that 133 to 136 area. So a lot of things pointing to that place. We have moving averages, we have a trend line. So if they do get to that 133 in the future, I will be taking the other side of that trade. So let me know what you think. Have a good day, guys.